Hey guys, sorry I've been absent. Trying to get all caught up. I've just now getting my feet back underneath me. Still have a little bit of a foggy head, and I'm dealing with coordination issues. Seems pretty odd, but apparently the diagnosis is either labyrinthitis or vestibular neuritis. And all I can think of is there must be a lot of swelling back there because I feel like a stroke patient who's trying to learn to walk all over again. Very interesting process. Nevertheless, I wanted to try to get caught up with things and make a few comments on the weeks that you've been working on as I've been going through them. I'm looking at week 3 right now, and week 3 was a very important week for me in the respect that I think it's foundational in understanding how to keep yourself and others alive when you go into these extremely remote and rural environments. Especially imagine like right now, even if you weren't remote, like right now if you were in Turkey or Syria, where this event just occurred, this major earthquake occurred, they are dealing with extreme weather conditions, freezing rain, snow, temperatures down, below 20, and their shelters are destroyed or made basically inhabitable because the risk of them collapsing on you is too high. So these people basically have the clothes on their back, and they still have to keep their body temperature at the right level to stay alive. And there's nothing worse than surviving an earthquake and then perishing from the weather and the environment that exists as you try to stay alive with limited resources. So in this scenario, I asked you to compare and contrast some environments and to look at your 5 survival needs for each. So basically looking at the Sahara Desert, the northern slope of Alaska, and a temperate region. As you can imagine, each of these is different. So the Sahara could be very hot at night. It could be cold, of course. It would be very hot and miserable and with limited resources. The northern slope of Alaska is I don't know if you've ever been there, but I have. It's very flat, just basically snow and a lot of animals running around and not much else other than an ocean that's out there. And then the temperate forests, which provides you everything almost year round, even in the bad times when there's a lot of snow on the ground, provides you so many opportunities to improvise to meet your needs. But in each of these, the point that I was trying to drive home is that you have these survival essentials, these needs that you must maintain, and the 3 that revolve around maintain life, they're constant regardless of which environment you're in. The only thing that might change is the order you meet them in and how you improvise to do that. And then also returning home can take on a different scenario as far as how you signal and how you might travel if you were to travel, given the environment or the situation that you're in. So the key with this assignment was simply to understand that these essentials are constant. They are cookbook, and the respect that they're part of the recipe, but in the order you put them in is going to change depending upon the situation. So don't forget the recipe, and just remember the pinch and the dash may change a little, and the order may change a little, and that's the key to week 3's assignment. Thank you.